Hey guys, so today we have another unboxing video. But today we just got this box here and I already peeked inside, but I'm just gonna turn it over and open it from the base as always and show you guys what it is. So let's open the bottom. Okay, so I had to use two hands because the plant was a bit tight in there. So this is how it looks. It's about maybe 3 feet tall, and it is bare root. You can see bare root, and they put it in this little like mesh plastic, I guess, to protect the leaves. And I forgot to tell you guys, it came from Top Tropicals. I ordered from them before when I was in Georgia. But yeah, if you go on their website, they have a lot of nice things that people are interested in. So I like to order from them. But let's get to what this is. And this plant is a Annona reticulata dash red custard apple variety Fernandez. So yes, I have a Fernandez from Top Tropicals. So let's take this mesh off and I'll show you guys what the plant look like. Okay guys, so I kind of stretched the mesh a little bit, so when I take it off there, you know, the mesh is not rubbing up on the leaves. So let me go ahead. Okay, so yeah, you see some young leaves there. It's windy today, been like that for a few days, but we're gonna do our best with this wind. Hope you guys can hear me. But yeah, these are new leaves there on top, and you can still see some new ones coming out. So yeah, this look like all new growth. Not these down here at the bottom, they might fall off. We have some little baby leaves here on these two branches. But yes, it's bare root, and we're gonna have to get this planted today. The color on this one is red, and the inside flesh is gonna be also red. So due to all the videos I saw on YouTube about this Fernandez variety, that inspired me to get a plant, and I found this variety again on Top Tropicals website. All the videos I saw was, you know, everyone was saying the fruit was good, it was tasty, you know, it has small seeds. People was also tasting the San Pablo as well. But I saw a video in particularly that Fruitful Trees made, and he said he was talking to Julian at Laura Farms, and they both tasted the fruit, the Fernandez variety, and they both said it was good. And that really look at this, that really inspired me to get the plant. Luckily for me though, I got it from Top Tropicals. I couldn't find it on Julian's website because it was sold out. So I got really lucky to find it on the other website. And hopefully soon I'll be able to taste one. Well, for sure I won't taste it on this one anytime soon, maybe in the next 2 or 3 years. But so I'm gonna go on the back now and show you guys what the Fernandez and the other variety look like. side by side. All right, I'm in the backyard. I got the plant, and there's my dog Esco looking sad because I tied him up so I could make this quick video for you guys. Esco! Esco! Hey, boy! I'll be back, Esco. All right, so the other custard apple we have is right here. See this tree right here? So since I got it last week, it's shooting out new growth there on top. And that's a great sight to see. So size comparison, you can see automatically that, let me step back, son. It's way shorter, the new one, the Fernandez. Way shorter than the red custard apple I got from Plantogram. So I'm very positive that I'm gonna get fruit from the red custard apple from Plantogram first because it's way bigger. So just wanted to show you guys the size comparison of both. And as far as the leaves go, I don't know if the leaves will look the same, but right now you can't really tell because this is a young tree and this is a more mature tree. G just potted up the custard apple and it's leaning like this a little, but I have the tag and the strap to strap this, so let me strap it and show you guys the finished look. So I just tied up the tree right here with the tag it came with. So it's a small little tree. I don't know anything about growth habits of Anonas. I know the Tyler Sarge sugar apple that we had purchased last year grew pretty quick, so I don't know anything about custard apple, but it might be the same growth habit. You guys can let me know in the comments what you think. Do anyone know how fast custard apples grow? But even if it takes 3 to 4 years, I'm fine with that. Sooner or later we'll get to taste one eventually, right? So you guys have a good weekend.